Namaste class 12th, welcome to Math Shala, and today we are with the question of continuity from NCERT exemplar. वीडियो को एंड तक देखना and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. So our question is, it is given that the function is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Find the point of discontinuity of the composite function f of fx. So we need to find out the point of discontinuity. So it is given that the given function, this given function 1 by x minus 1, it is not defined at 1. We can easily find out the domain of this function. This function is not defined at 1. If x becomes equal to 1, function will be undefined. And now let's try to find out. See, वैसे तो function defined ही नहीं है तो continuous नहीं हो सकता. So let's find out the left hand limit as x approaches 1 from left side. So this function becomes limit of this function 1 by x minus 1 as x goes to 1 negative, means x is bit smaller than 1. So just replace x with 1 minus h. This we have discussed in the previous videos, why we are putting 1 minus h, where h is very small but positive. So 1 upon, in place of x we have written 1 minus h and this minus 1. So 1 will get cancelled with 1 and the result is 1 by minus h, and h goes to 0. It means the limit of the function approaches minus infinity. So left hand limit is minus infinity and so is the right hand limit. देखिएगा, check करते हैं. The limit of the function as x approaches 1 positive. This is 1 positive. It is nothing but, see, x we will going to replace with 1 plus h. तो देखेंगे in next step what we are getting. It is limit of 1 upon 1 plus h as h goes to 0 and this minus 1 is here. 1 will get cancelled with 1 and 1 by h, h goes to 0, it is nothing but infinity. So here left hand limit is minus infinity, right hand limit is infinity. So it means right hand limit is not equal to left hand limit. It means fx is not continuous at 1. जब fx ही continuous नहीं है तो f उसका composition function with x is again not continuous at 1. अभी आगे देखते हैं कि इसके अलावा क्या कोई और point of discontinuity भी हो सकता है. So एक तो हो गया 1 is the point of discontinuity. अब आगे चेक करते हैं. पहले इतना लिख दिया, fx is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Just have a look in a nice manner and let's take. Okay, let's take this question. Now f of fx, it is equal to, fx is nothing but 1 by x minus 1, and so now take f of fx. Let's check, is there any point of discontinuity for this composition function? So replace fx with, fx is which function? 1 by x minus 1, and just consider 1 by x minus 1 as y. इसको इससे replace कर लेते हैं, y से replace कर लेते हैं. So what is f of y? Now f of x is 1 by x minus 1. So f of y is nothing but, यहाँ हमने इसको y से replace किया है. So it has become equal to f of fx. This is nothing but y. So it becomes equal to 1 by y minus 1. And now let's check. Just put the value of y back here in the form of x. Y is nothing but this. So y को यहाँ पर replace किया. And now just after solving this, it has taken the form of x minus 1 upon, it is, see, 1 by 1 upon x minus 1 minus 1. और जब हम इसको solve कर लेते हैं, so we are reaching to this x minus 1 upon 1 minus x plus 1. It has become x minus 1 2 minus x. Now this is the function f of fx, composition of these two functions. Now the fx and f. Now this function is not defined at 2. अब ये 2 पर डिफाइंड नहीं है, पहले एफ एक्स किस पर डिफाइंड नहीं था, 1 पर डिफाइंड नहीं था. सो because this function, this is not defined at 2, so we are getting 2 point of discontinuity. And now let's check left hand limit of this function gx. Gx is nothing but this function, अभी हमने पहले पिछले पेज पर किया, x minus 1 2 minus x, and as x goes to 2 negative, लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट लेते हैं. 2 पर फंक्शन हमें मालूम है डिफाइंड नहीं है, 2 की लेफ्ट और 2 की राइट दोनों चेक करते हैं कि क्या इनकी लिमिट एग्जिस्ट करती है. सो व्हाट वी आर चेकिंग, व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग, रिप्लेस, सी 2x को रिप्लेस किया 2 माइनस एच, बिकॉज लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट ले रहे हैं वेयर h अप्रोचेज 0 एंड h इज पॉजिटिव. सो 2 माइनस एच माइनस 1 एंड 2 माइनस, अगेन in place of x we are writing 2 minus h. After solving, what we are getting, limit of 1 minus h upon h where h goes to 0. So it has become 1 by h minus 1, h goes to infinity 0, sorry, so it will become infinity minus 1, which is equal to infinity. So left hand limit is infinite and right hand limit, it is nothing but x approaches to positive. So replace x by 2 plus h. 2 plus h से replace करने पर what we are getting here, we are getting 1 plus h, see 1 2 minus 1 1 plus h upon minus h where h goes to 0. So it is minus 1 by h as h goes to 0. Result becomes equal to minus infinity. Result approaches, rather, nothing is always equal to infinity. Limit is equal to minus infinity, so it is not equal to left hand limit. It means function is not continuous at 2. So 2 point of discontinuity we are getting 1 and 2. So this function is discontinuous at these 2 point 1 and 2. So 2 point of discontinuity हो गया. And you have watched this video up to end. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you.